Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at a big pile of numbers in Google Sheets and wondered how you're supposed to make sense of it all, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn raw data into clear, insightful charts and graphs in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to visualize your information quickly and, more importantly, actually understand what those numbers are telling you. So let's dive right in and unlock the power of visual data analysis. Alright, the very first thing you want to do is select your data. This might sound obvious, but it's a crucial starting point. So go ahead and click and drag your cursor over the cells that contain the information you want to analyze. It could be anything, maybe it's sales numbers, daily website visitors, or survey responses. The key here is to make sure you're including all the relevant columns and rows, especially if you have headers at the top like dates, names, or categories. Selecting too little or too much could affect how your chart comes out, so take a second and double check your selection. If you're not sure, don't worry, you can always adjust it later. Once your data is highlighted, look up at the top of Google Sheets and find the Insert option in the toolbar. Give that a click, you'll see a drop-down menu pop up, and from here you'll want to select Chart. Google Sheets is pretty smart. As soon as you do this, it'll instantly create a default chart based on the data you've picked. Usually it picks something like a column chart or a line chart for you. Think of this step as telling Google Sheets, hey, I want to see this data, not just read it. And if you're worried you might click the wrong thing, relax. You can always undo or tweak your chart as much as you need to. But we're not just stopping with the default chart. For the most meaningful analysis, you should choose the type of chart that best tells your data's story. On the right-hand side, the chart editor pane will pop up. This is where you get to play a bit. Take a look through the different chart types: column, bar, line, pie, scatter plots, and more. Each one has strengths. For example, bar charts are great for comparing categories, while line charts show trends over time. Imagine you're trying to explain your numbers to a friend who's never seen this data before. Which chart would make them say, "Ah, I get it now, that's the one you want"? Now for my favorite part, customization. This is where you get to fine-tune your chart so the insights really pop out. Over in the chart editor, you'll find options to change colors, labels, titles, and even which data series you want to highlight or hide. You might want to add a clear title, label your axes, or adjust the legend so everything is easy to read. Don't be afraid to try different options. Maybe you want to show total sales per region in one color and monthly growth in another. The visual tweaks you make aren't just about looking pretty. They really help to focus your audience's attention on what matters most. It's a bit like tidying up a desk before an important meeting. Everything feels so much clearer when it's organized. Take your time with these steps. Sometimes the best insights come when you experiment a little. And if your chart doesn't look quite right at first, don't worry. It might take a few tweaks to get it just right for your needs. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've transformed raw numbers into a visual story with charts and graphs in Google Sheets. I hope this helped make your data way more approachable and useful. If you learned something new, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions or want tips on specific types of charts, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy data analyzing.